Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix site not opening. So, step 1 to fix this problem is ensuring that you have a stable internet connection. Try loading other websites to confirm if the issue is with your connection or Wix itself. So you can navigate to YouTube on new tab, and if YouTube loads up, then internet is not the problem. And if it doesn't, then make sure that you got a stable Wi-Fi connection by navigating to Wi-Fi and connecting to a better Wi-Fi. Now, you can restart your router to try connecting to a different network. Now, cache data can sometimes cause loading issues. Click on three-dotted icon in the top right of your browser, click on settings, navigate to privacy search and services, click on clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear, and make sure that you have selected these two items and click on clear now. And that could also fix the problem. Now, some browser extensions can interfere with your site's loading. Try disabling extensions like Ad Blocker or Privacy Tools. Remove the site to see if it works now. So you can navigate to Extensions button and navigate to Manage Extensions and remove any unwanted extensions, and that could also fix the problem. Now, sometimes Wix might be experiencing server issues. Visit the Wix status page to check if there are any ongoing outages. If there's an issue on Wix end, wait until they resolve it. Now, if your Wix site isn't opening on one browser, try using a different one like Chrome, Firefox or Safari. Test the site on another device to rule out device-specific issues. Now, if the site still doesn't load, there may be DNS issues. So flush your DNS cache by running this command. You can press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type in cmd, hit enter, type in ipconfig/flushdns on Windows, hit enter, and that could also fix the problem. Now, if you have a custom domain, ensure that it's correctly linked to your Wix site. So navigate to Wix dashboard, navigate to domains and verify the settings. If you see any issues, follow the Wix domain troubleshooting steps and that could instantly fix the problem. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Wix support. So you'll have to just navigate to a new browser, type in Wix help, hit enter. Now click on Help Center by Wix, and you'll have to basically contact them by clicking on Contact Us button at the bottom of this page, that is this button, and basically reach out to them explaining your problem, and they can help identify if there's a deeper issue with your account or site. So that's the simple way through which you can fix a problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.